Hello, good morning to everybody. Again, first, welcome to our second back activities for today, which is the tribute conference for 22 AE0081, the construction of network room upgrade of PABX and installation of additional structured cabling for the Union First DO buildings. This previous conference shall be held at least 12 calendar days before the deadline for the submission and the send of submission and receipt of bids, but not earlier than 7 calendar days from the PDF's posting of the invitation to bid. This previous conference shall discuss, clarify, and explain the different aspects of the project to be procuring entity with the prospective bidders, the eligibility requirements, technical and financial components, including the questions and clarification based by the respective bidder suppliers before and during the previous conference. Uh, our, our first agenda for this previous conference is the big presentation, explanation, information about the project to be discussed by engineer Jason Abreu.
And so, good morning to each and every one of us. So, let me discuss the scope of work of this project entitled Construction of Network Room, Grade of PABX, and Installation of Additional Structured Cabling for University O buildings. So, location. So, it is within our vicinity, TPWH, UED 1 Linsat, San Fernando City, La Union, with an appropriation of 5 with its ABC, 5 million with a duration of 90 calendar days. So the scope of work of these projects, meaning for installation of additional structured cabling for low and first day of buildings, as well as the rehabilitation of the stock room. And upon the estimations, we have here the final items of work. So we have part B, the other general requirements. We have the B, so project billboards and signboards, both for DPWH and for COA billboard. And we also have the 2B, we have here the wooden panel doors. 10171, we have the cement plaster finish. The 10221A, painting works, particularly masonry painting. And we also have 10462A2, we have the 150 mm CHP. And under part B, we have the electrical works. We have 1100, 10, 1101, 33, 1102, 1, So these four items is mainly for the rehabilitated room. Then for item 11041, the auxiliary system, it will be the total cabling system or electrical cabling system of the Union First District Engineering Office. And so as you can see, there might be changes on the title since upgrading of the PABX was not included on the final program of works. Thank you.
Below this second agenda for this previous conference is the requirement of bidding documents to be submitted by the bidders, the criteria, procedure, and eligibility check, and detailed evaluation of bid, cost qualification, and award to be discussed by Engineer Villanueva.
Okay, for this project, the bid docs fee is 5,000 pesos. So the schedule of procurement activities, the pre-bid conference is scheduled today. So the issuance of bid docs is scheduled from June 27, 2023 until July 18, 2023. The opening of bids will be on July 18, 2023. So the required pickup license for this contract is as follows. Size range, small b, license category C and D, largest single project should be less than or equal. And for the minimum major equipment requirement, one equipment only, specifically one government system.
Yung wire na gagamitin, very specific tayo na orange wire ang gagamitin, hindi pwede ang black. Kasi ang black is for electrical. Orange wire.
For the wiring system, we're very strictly for the specification. It must be orange in its color. Thank you.
The next agenda, the documents to be submitted by the bidders.
Yung wire na magkakaroon lang ito ng ABB ang
Ma'am Reven,
building ng supply, building at saka UAS.
For the document by the bidders, bid submission may be done manually or electronically. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid clause electronic submission and receipt of bids for the procurement of civil works contracts. All electronic bids must be sent to the email address dpwh.launion1@yahoo.com. Each bidder shall submit one original copy of the first and second components of its bid. For the checklist of technical and financial documents, technical proposal, Class A documents. For the technical documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. For the financial proposal, original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form and other documentary requirements under ARA number 9184. Original of duly signed bid prices in the bill of quantities and duly accomplished detailed estimates form including a summary sheet indicating cash flow by quarter. For criteria and procedure for detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. The financial component of the bids of each past bidder shall be evaluated using non-discretionary criteria, including arithmetical corrections for computational errors, and thus determine the correct total calculated bid prices. The box shall automatically disqualify any total calculated bid price which exceeds the ABC. For post-qualification, verification of legal requirements, licenses, certificates, permits, non-inclusion in blacklist. For technical requirements, single largest completed contract similar to the contract. Key personnel and qualification of bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. For financial requirements, audited financial statement, especially current assets and liabilities, up-to-date value of all outstanding or uncompleted works under ongoing and awarded contracts, updated NFCC versus ABC.
our next agenda will be the question comments from the supplier, bidders, and other representatives of the procuring entity. Sir, any question? Any comment? Clarification regarding the
Ipapili sabi sa kanila, papakita ko na lang yung sample na wire. Kasi may product na siya
with with regards to the wires that we're going to use. Please follow the required specification. Other matters to be discussed by Ma'am
Ma'am, some property
Ma'am Balaw.
Yun lang naman ang ano, yung may property. Welcome ka na ito, ma'am. May naglagay dito, ma'am.
For our QAS requirements, all the construction materials that are listed with minimum test requirements that are to be used in the project shall be subjected to testing to check its compliance to standards and specifications before incorporation into work. Thank you.
Still other questions, sir? Clarifications?
Yung
So,
supplemental bid bulletin na lalabas.
para saan?
Para sa title, ma'am.
So, if there are no other questions or clarifications from
Yung
our
supplemental bid
prospective bidders,
bulletin.